Hi class, this is actually reading number 2. It's called I've Heard Said by Julia Alvarez. I've heard said that among the Eskimos there are over 100 words for snow. The soft kind, the hard driving kind, the roll a snowball kind, snow being such a force. In their lives, it needs a blizzard of words. In my own DR, we have many rains, the sprinkle, the shower, the hurricane, the tears, the many tears for our many dead. I've asked around and found that in all tongues there are at least a dozen words for talk. The heart-to-heart, the chat, the confession, the juicy gossip, the quip, the harangue. No matter where we're from, we need to talk about snow, rain, about being human. And our last reading, is called Those Who Don't, from The House on Mango Street by Sandra Cisneros. Those who don't know any better come into our neighborhood scared. They think we're dangerous. They think we will attack them with shiny knives. They are stupid people who are lost and got here by mistake. But we aren't afraid. We know the guy with the crooked eye is Davy, the baby's brother. And the tall one next to him in the straw brim, that's Rosa's Eddie V. And the big one that looks like a dumb grown man, he's Fat Boy, though he's not fat anymore, nor a boy. All brown, all around, we are safe. But watch us drive into a neighborhood of another color, and our knees go shakety-shake, and our car windows get rolled up tight, and our eyes look straight. Yeah, that's how it goes and goes.